the absolute best at hunting in the dark. They somebody did a test somewhere, put them in a room, a big building that they made as completely light-proof as possible, and they could still catch mice. Actually, barn owls, they got their name because they were mostly found in barns. They ended up being, they're the ones who make a noise that sounds like a screech. And yet that's when someone would hear that and go outside, they'd end up seeing the little guy, and that's how the screech owl, who does not screech, got the name screech owl.
Right in that little thing you got that stuff. Yeah, just like that almost.
The barn owl is also one that it's how many babies it has is dependent upon the prey base. If they're in an area that's scarce, they may only have 3 eggs, but if it's a tremendous prey base, they may have as many as 13. They have quite a large, around 5 or 6 maybe as an average, if it's a average prey base. So they're able to adjust to lean years, which helps their survival. But they discovered, there haven't been many barn owls around here in years, and they discovered, they tried a lot of reintroduction programs like they do with the peregrine and even eagles, but what they figured out was it wasn't a problem with the habitat or the prey base or predators or anything, it was the barns. Most people, they have metal barns now that don't have animals in them.
This tree looks like it's going to fall over at any moment.